Hi, here's how to do 3-point perspective drawing. We'll start with a horizon line. And then we're going to create vanishing point, VP1 and VP2. And then the difference between 2-point perspective and 3-point perspective, you need another vanishing point. So third vanishing point could be away from the horizon line. It could be up here. Any place that you want to do, it will work, even the bottom. Okay, if you put another point, VP3, vanishing point 4, that could be 4-point perspective, but that's a mirror image. So next thing you want to do is, before we move on, the difference between 2-point and 3-point perspective. If you have a horizon line, 2-point perspective, you just draw any corner and then you connect. That's what we did, right? You connect. So the vertical line that you do, it's okay. But 3-point perspective, what you need to do is any vertical line that you're going to be creating in the beginning, you have to align with the vanishing point 3. So for instance, if I wanted it to be here, then I have to align with the vanishing point 3 and then draw. If I want to draw a box here, then I have to align it with that. So more it goes towards the outwards from the center, it's tilted. Same thing, if I want to create the building here, structure, then I'm going to connect this here and then create a vanishing vertical lines. Okay, so after that, do the same thing that you did with the 2-point perspective. Bottom corner, top corner, connect it to the vanishing point 1 first, and then bottom 1. Again, vanishing point 2. Don't worry about these lines. That's going to be different structure later on. So I'm going to keep continuing. So top, bottom, I connected to VP1, VP2. It's already connected to vanishing point 3. You don't have to worry about. Now, side, same thing. When you are creating the 2-point perspective, remember you have to create it, the box, and then connect it to vanishing point, and then you connect it, making it parallel to this. But 3-point perspective, the difference is this. You have to, whatever the thickness you decide, again, you have to align it with the VP3, just like that. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so you don't go like this. So there are no more parallel lines that you have to create to each other. Okay. So after that, what happened is it's already connected to VP3, it's connected to VP1, but it's not connected to VP2 yet. So you want to connect it to vanishing point 2. If you come over this side, this is connected to VP3, VP2, but not to the VP1. So we need to connect that to vanishing point 1. If you do that, you just completed the structure. Okay? Same thing with the bottom one. So you connect it to the vanishing point 1, vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2. Remember, in the beginning, we already connected to the vanishing point 3. Right? And then when we are deciding the thickness, again, connected to vanishing point 3, connecting it to vanishing point 3. After that, you just created the corner. This corner is connected to the 3 and 1, but it's not connected to the 2 yet. So what you want to do is connect it to 2. And then this corner, connected it to VP3 already, and then connected to 2. Now it needs to be connected to vanishing point 1. And then you have a top created. So in the center, same thing. You connect it to the VP3, VP1, and then connect it to the VP1, and then VP2, and then again VP2, and then sideways, make sure that you connect it to VP3. So again, if our structure is on the horizon line, you don't have to create the top or the bottom. Again, this one is a worm's eye view because it's above the horizon line, which is eye level. This structure is below your eye level, so that's why you can see the top. It's a bird's eye view. Okay. So next video, I'm going to show you how to create a value and everything else. Okay. All right.